Hey, my name's Jing. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are interested in how to start and scale your own e-commerce businesses and how to become a better business owner, you have come to the right place. I run successful 8-figure e-commerce businesses with my husband, and we have learned a lot about entrepreneurship in the past few years. Here I just want to share my journey, covering everything from building your e-commerce businesses to daily life and how we keep a positive mindset through it all. My goal is to help others succeed in starting and scaling their own e-commerce businesses with less pain. I believe in living life to the fullest. I believe you become what you think you are. And I'm a firm believer that life always happens for you, not to you. I'm here to share the highs, the lows, and everything in between. I'm building a community of dreamers, doers, and downright amazing people. Every video, every story, every tip is a piece of the puzzle, guiding you closer to where you want to be. And I'm so thrilled to have you join this journey. If you have ever asked one of these questions, make sure to subscribe, because I'm going to be answering all of these questions and many, many more. See you in the next video. Bye for now.